Well, we're back. It's been some time since I've made a video on any of the motorcycles, other than track day things. But it's middle of the winter here, and we are in the process of making a change to that. So today I'm going to make the first part in upgrading some brakes on the 96. That's actually not just getting a whole new set of rotors, it's actually getting a whole new front end. But the first part today is going to be putting some Brembo rotors that I've got from the awesome Webike in Japan. And we're going to put those on the wheel. Webike's a great little website based out of Japan, obviously, and also has some other websites around the place. So I've got these Brembo rotors from them, and yeah, they're a cool little they're a cool little shop, and you should check them out if you need some Brembo rotors. So yeah, we're going to run these rotors on the K8 wheel, and then I've also got some hardware from ProBolt, which we can seal these up with. The wheel at the moment's the wrong colour eventually, but I just need to get all this front end in, test fit it, and then I'll eventually repaint it. So the K8 front end, which is sitting down there, will actually go straight into the 96 and 98 GSXR 750s, and probably for all the other ones as well. The bearings are exactly the same for they go into the frame. So yeah, it should be pretty cool. So here's a before of our wheel with the old rotor that's a little bit rusted, and then I'll come back in a sec with the new disc on. So we've got the old rotor on there, and I've got some nice titanium bolts from ProBolt. I'm not going to put Loctite in these at the moment because this wheel will probably eventually come back off and get painted, but I'll just put them in without some Loctite and then come back and torque them up once it's actually in the bike. So there we have it, some lovely Brembo rotors. These are 310mm discs on a K8 front wheel. And yeah, as I mentioned, these are from Webike, so if you need some Brembos, check those guys out. Looking forward to getting the rest of the front end and everything in there shortly. The bike's currently down, getting some wiring sorted at the moment, so once that's all sorted, which hopefully will be the next week, I'll rip the old front end out and then I'll put the new front end in. I've just got to put the bearings on that new bottom triple clamp. So yeah, looking forward to getting all this sorted and getting back on the track once the weather improves a little bit. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.